Hey there, stupid! Are you tired if you feel alone in the house and can't teleport? Well, yeah. Well then, stupid, here's one prize for you. Really? What is it? Introducing the new Nature Cat Cleaner. You can play around with the Nature Cat Cleaner. Oh, my voice is altered. You can just clean it. Yeah.
I'm ready to throw all day. Delicious.
Or you can get stung by a bee.
Wait, what?
The Nature Cat Cleaner is a very stupid idea. All they have to do is just clean and play with it, and it confuses my life. And you know, this is going to be the worst nightmare ever.
I fucking hate this product. It sucks.
I know my life sucks, but I need to buy this fucking product right now.
I do not like this product. Because it's for babies.
Hell yes. I want this product.
This product sucks, because it does nothing at all. Seriously, my life is completely messed up.
Nature Cat sucks. So I don't wanna buy it. Go fuck yourself.
Dad, you're going to buy it, you know it.
No. Wait. I'm sorry, I love Nature Cat.
What the hell is going on?
Don't forget, because Nature Cat Cleaner has 3 more. What do you think about this product? What about you, Bobby TV? And Obama?
No? Okay then. Also, you need to get this prize as a Milkshake Fantastic Fun DVD. With freaking 190 alien in it. So what are you waiting for? Go get your own Nature Cat Cleaner today! Oh my God! I need to buy these products right now!